Hello, everyone. In our hyper-connected world of 2026, the term online attack is no longer just a buzzword for IT professionals. It's a reality we all face daily. But what exactly is an online attack? Simply put, a cyber attack is a deliberate, malicious attempt by an unauthorized individual or organization to breach the information system of another. Whether the goal is to steal your identity, hold your business data for ransom, or disrupt global infrastructure, the core remains the same: exploiting vulnerabilities for gain. Today, we're going to break down how these attacks work, the different forms they take, and why they are more sophisticated than ever before. To understand these threats, we first need to classify them into two categories: passive and active. Think of a passive attack as a digital eavesdropper. The attacker doesn't change your data, they just listen or scan for open doors. For instance, if you're using an unsecured Wi Fi at a cafe, a hacker might be silently intercepting your emails. You won't even know they were there. An active attack, however, is much more aggressive. Here, the attacker isn't just watching, they are acting. They delete files, alter transactions, or flood your server until it crashes. While passive attacks focus on information gathering, active attacks focus on destruction and disruption. Now, let's look at the heavy hitters. First up, malware. This is malicious software designed to infiltrate your device. In 2026, the most feared version is ransomware. It's the digital equivalent of a kidnapping. An attacker encrypts your most precious files and demands a payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to give you the key. We saw this on a massive scale with the WannaCry attack, and today, these attacks are targeting everything from hospitals to power grids. Then we have Trojans. These are the wolves in sheep's clothing. You might think you're downloading a helpful tool, but hidden inside is a backdoor that gives a hacker full control over your system. Not every attack targets your software. Many target your mind. This is social engineering. The most common form is phishing. You've likely seen these emails. They look like they're from your bank or Netflix, asking you to update your payment info. But the moment you click that link, you're handing over your credentials. Today, we also face spear phishing, which is highly targeted. Imagine receiving an email that looks exactly like a memo from your actual boss, referencing a project you are currently working on. It's personalized, it's convincing, and it's incredibly dangerous. Sometimes, the goal isn't to steal data, but to stop the world from moving. This is where DDoS, or distributed denial of service, comes in. Using a botnet, a literal army of thousands of infected computers, an attacker floods a website with so much traffic that it simply collapses. And then there is the man-in-the-middle attack. This is where a hacker inserts themselves between you and the website you are visiting. If you are on a compromised network, the hacker can see your bank password, your private messages, and even modify the data you're sending before the bank ever receives it. As we move further into 2026, attacks are becoming even more complex with the use of AI. Deepfake voices and perfectly written AI phishing scams are the new norm. But knowledge is your best defense. By understanding these methods, using multi-factor authentication, and staying skeptical of unsolicited links, you can stay one step ahead of the hackers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe out there in the digital world.